How strange to see a famous actress weeping, and for such a trifle. Is it not strange, too, that a famous author should sit fishing all day? He's the idol of the public. The papers are full of him. His photograph is for sale everywhere. His works have been translated into many foreign languages. And yet, he's overjoyed if he catches a couple of minnows. I always thought that famous people were distant and proud. I thought that they despise the common crowd, which exalts riches and birth, and avenge themselves on it by dazzling it in the inextinguishable honor and glory of their fame. But here, I see them weeping and playing cards and flying into passions like everybody else.